Welcome back. So I'm going to be taking spring from the inside to the outside today, and I'm really super excited to do this because decorating on the outside is one of my most funnest things to do. We like spending a lot of time in nature, just sitting on our front porch, enjoying our time. But really what held me back just a little bit from decorating the front porch was the pollen. In South Carolina here, we get a lot of pollen for some reason. And this year, for some reason, it was just big, a whole lot of pollen that started piling up. So I wanted to make sure that when I got out here, it was kind of finished. I didn't want to decorate, and then next thing you know, all the pollen came back, and then I have to clean and decorate again. But I think that we're pretty much in the clear. All right, so guys, this video is going to be filled with loads of motivation and rejuvenating you to get on the outside and get your front porch all decorated for spring too. Maybe even get some cleaning done. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Let's go.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring.
Before I came out here and started cleaning up the front porch, I went inside of my laundry room. That helped me find like any empty bottles. I like to reuse bottles instead of going out to buy more. That helps save money. And I found one. And so what I did was just mix up some warm water with some dish soap, shook it up really well, and then I started spraying down everything out here. And what the warm water and the dish soap does is just going to help break down all of this pollen and the dust out here. But I didn't want to damage any surfaces, so it's going to help protect all of my furniture at the same time. But this is a quick look, guys, at how the front porch looks before, and the pollen was definitely piling up, and it was definitely time to get out here and just get this front porch a refresh. Look how thick it is on this table. So I'm not moving any furniture out of the way today. I was just going to spray down everything, hose it down. Only thing I did was just took the cushions out of the chairs that are on the porch, and they're in the wash right now. So once they're finished and everything's dry, I'll bring those back out. I noticed that we had some weeds growing up through the steps, so I just went ahead in there with my hands and just pulled those up. But if you ever have that problem with weeds growing up through your steps, just grab yourself just a little bit of vinegar, plus a little bit of dish soap and mix it all together and spray it directly on the weeds, and that should help you with that. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and just pull everything out. And then I forgot to record it, but I did go back in and sprayed it with the vinegar and dish soap just to help prevent it from coming back. All right, guys, so I'm going to be using these hooks that I picked up from Amazon. They help me hang just a picture over there in the corner. The wall is wide open, so I want to make sure I fill up the space. And these hooks right here, they really come in really handy whenever you need to kind of like hang up anything on your front porch. And I think that these can hold up to like maybe 30 pounds. Not quite sure. I got to go back and look at it, but I will have a link for you in the description box below. But I know at least 20 pounds, but it may be able to hold up to 30. So we're just going to go ahead and just hang up a picture over there. My hubby is going to help me do it. And let's go ahead and get it started. Before I finish decorating the front porch, I wanted to share with all of you a mini haul that I went on. I first visited Ross and I found these beautiful picture prints. They came in a set of 3, and to me, they're definitely screaming spring. I love the vibrant green colors of the leaves here. And so while I might not use these on the outside, I might use them on the inside. I just haven't decided yet. And also, we're going to move over. I found this beautiful wreath. It came from Hobby Lobby. It says welcome. And I'm loving the flowers that are on here. It's definitely screaming spring too. And the texture of it is just really nice. Now today I'll definitely be using these pink and green hanging baskets. This is not new. I've actually used these last year. I have like a set of 2 of them, and those came from TJ Maxx. But I also be using this wooden board. Now this is new. And I think that using a wooden board, it just adds so much of warmth and natural touch to any space. And I love decorating with these. And it also brings texture and character, making like anything that you're displaying more inviting and very styled. And moving right along, I picked up this rug. It is also from Ross. It's very simple. It just says hello, but sometimes simplicity is what I love. So I'll be placing that in front of the front door. And next, I'm moving over to this wreath here. This is something that is not new. It's old as well. It's simple, and I'll be placing that on the front door. I also got a chance to pick up this very nice vase. This is from the Studio McGee collection when I visited Target. I'm loving the way it looks. And right here, guys, this is a black and white rug that I picked up from Amazon. This is new. At first, when I looked at the rug, I thought it was too big for my door. And after I put it out, oh my gosh, it just fit it perfectly. And with the Hello rug on top of it, everything just flowed together so nicely. And these are the pillows that I'll be using on the front porch. These are not new. They're old as well. I love mixing up colors. And while I was at TJ Maxx too, guys, actually Hobby Lobby, I picked up this very beautiful bunny rabbit. I can't wait to use it. Even though Easter has passed, I still like using bunny rabbits to help me decorate because this is the spring season. It just reminds me of spring. It was $19.99, but I got it 50% off, so I only paid like $10 for this. And I think that's it. I have everything that I need so far. We're going to keep it simple to help me decorate the front porch for spring. And let's go ahead and head right on back outside and get it all done.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we figure it out, don't we? Yeah. And we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby. You and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me.
I just love using planters whenever I'm decorating, especially on the outside. And the great thing about planters is that you can use these indoors as well as outdoors. But if you're like me and you're using these on the outdoors, just be cautious because these can collect a lot of dirt, also a lot of dust and a lot of pollen. So you have to make sure that they stay clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and just wash these out before I place my next set of plants in these. And next I'm coming in with my black and white rug. I'm going to place this in front of the door and place the mat that I got from Ross on top of it, along with the wreath on the door that's from Hobby Lobby, like I mentioned, and bring the look all together. Guys, let me know in the comment section, have you gotten out yet and did any cleaning or decorating yet in your yard or your porch? Let me know if the weather is nice there. I would love to hear from you guys.
I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes.
Alright guys, so we're at the end of today's video. I am finally able to get out here and just relax and enjoy my front porch for the spring season. The wind is blowing and it feels absolutely amazing out here. I think I might even take a walk later on just to enjoy the weather because it feels so nice. I hope that this video has motivated you and maybe even rejuvenated you to get out and get some spring cleaning and decorating done too of your own on the outside. And guys, don't forget, if you're new here, to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And also to my existing subscribers, thank you guys so much for returning. I appreciate each and every one of you. Continue to take care of yourselves and also your families. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.